my guys, welcome to another episode. In this episode I have a new installation on the RAV4 thanks to the group that I follow on YouTube about RAV4s. We have a new installation. I'm gonna put these tweeters in the truck. It's gonna be really easy to get to them. I need to remove just the covers in here, get the old ones and install the new ones. So let me show you that. First I'm gonna put some music to see if I can catch the difference between these ones and the new ones. So let's get to it. There is one tab on this side, really hard to get to it. Once you press on the little tab, you can pull out the tweeters. This is very small, so let me open the package to see the difference between this one and the new ones. Oh yeah, this one is a lot bigger. JBL makes very good quality products. Bet you it's gonna sound really good. It's a lot smaller, all plastic, but this one is really heavy, bigger, and the magnet is huge. It's gonna make a lot of difference. So let's see. Also, I got these plugs so we can plug the new one to the stock harness. This is going to the harness and this to the speaker. Okay, I think it's in place now, but before I put anything, I'm gonna do the other side, same process, and then we can check the difference on the sound. Okay guys, night and day. It sounds amazing now, but you can tell the difference between those and the stock ones. Those are massive and the sound is a lot better. I do recommend this. I'm gonna put the link in the description for those speakers with the wire harness so you guys can get these. Also, because I'm affiliate to Amazon, if you purchase for my links, I'm gonna get a little commission from it. And guys, this is very simple to do, really easy. The only problem is the connector, but once you figure it out, you can just pull it out. And it sounds amazing. The only thing that I had to do, put my 2 bolts, put the cover, and installation is done. I hope you like this little episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.